This is the most current update on the Ekwulobia flyover adjoining roads. The flyover has 4 adjoining roads, of which all added together is about 4-kilometer roads. So, but that of the one that goes to Isofia and the one that goes to Agolo, they are done with the drainages, and the level now is laterite filling. That is the level they are now at these 2 points that I've just mentioned. But that of going to Aguata local government headquarters is undergoing drainage construction. They are about concluding the drainage. That of Oko Own is yet to be touched. I think they are trying to be fast to avoid rains meeting them. Thank you. Today we are bringing to you, like I said, the Ekwulobia flyover adjoining roads construction. That is the 4 cardinal roads that meets at that Ekwulobia flyover. And you are going to see every detail of what you need to see concerning the activities of this place presently. So now this one is coming from Agolo axis. This is coming from Agolo, and you can see how wide the road is, though this place is going to be dualized. The dualization is just for a certain point. It will not go down deep into the major road. So, but I think because of the quick approaching of the rains, they want to quickly finish up with the adjoining roads and they probably enter or speed up the flyover itself. As you can see, the place now is motorable, as in vehicles are allowed to move on it, but to a certain distance, of which you may not exceed it, because I'm sure that down that flyover axis is not motorable. Vehicles are not allowed to pass through that place. So, but let's move down a bit and see how the entire area is looking, as this place is coming down from Agolo axis going down to the flyover. Well, the job is being handled by AG Vision. AG Vision is the contractor handling the flyover and the adjoining roads. Also, the bus terminal inclusive. Yes, as usual, the gutters are open. But I've done some little research on it, and I discovered that debris waste usually find their way inside gutters, and we are not ready to clean our gutters every day to make it neat. So the best bet is to cover our drainages, as it is obtainable in developed places, and that is the best way of constructing drainages. You cover it up, and it doesn't accumulate the way you think. So many people think that once you cover drainage, it usually accumulates sand and every other thing easily. It is not. It's just once in a while that You can just open it and clean it up as they have been done other places. Yes, the pace of the work has increased. If you ask me, that is what will be my answer. And upon discussion, I was told that the supervision of this project, that is the contractor, the helm of the affairs of the contractor has been changed. So that's why the significant improvement that we are seeing concerning this flyover. So, but like I said, I think they want to get the roads in order first, before focusing wholly on the flyover. I'm not saying that work is not going on the flyover, work is going on, but probably because of the rains, they want to focus on the roads and get them done. Then they will put all their energies in that flyover. That is the point, and I believe I've made my point very, very clear. So, gentlemen and ladies, this side now is going to Oga. This one leads to Oga. You can see that the drainages are being done, but they are yet to be completed. And that is it. You may not go down Oga Road. So, but at a point we are going to turn, because there's no way we'll cover the whole of these places. It will be time wasting. So that is it. Now we have moved over to the one that faces Isofia, the road that goes to Isofia, Ibuku, Nobi. This is the one, and this one is about 1 point something kilometers. I think is the longest among the 4 cardinal roads. This one and Agolo On, they are the 2 longest ones, and the Oko and that of Oga is the shorter ones. So let's see what is going on here. I think this place is fast being done. Well, from the pace of work being done here, I know that in 2 weeks' time there will be a very big changes here. A very big one with the pace of work that is going on. Well, we are going to move down towards as if we are going to Ethiopia. Let's see how that side is looking. But viewers, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, the notification bell, like this video by clicking on the thumbs up like button, share this video also, let others watch, and please drop your comments. Let's hear what you think and what you observed in this video. Ensure that you watch everything, you don't miss out anything, and that is what we are saying. So let's keep going towards that Ethiopia is. Division is handling many roads in Anambra State and that of Isofia Place. They are the ones there handling the road constructions, and they are not doing badly. If you ask me, anything you see here is according to specifications given to them. As usual, many contractors, their own is just to construct what you ask them to do. They will never, insist on doing the correct thing. What I mean is that maybe in their own foreign places, are they going to construct open drainages like that? Of course, the answer is no. Probably the specification given to them in their countries, that's what they do. But mind you that if at all the company exists in their own foreign places, they might not be getting jobs to construct road. That is the point, and that is the truth about it. Some of them will come here and be raising shoulders and be, doing their own thing. But there in their countries, if they exist at all, they may not be able to get road construction to do. So, but I believe I've made my point in regards these white people that usually come here to execute roads. The point is that they need to insist in doing the correct thing. Instead of just to collect the money and find their way. They have done their own business, and that is the mindset that many contractors have. So, however, let's keep proceeding and see what this place looks like. This is going towards Sophia axis. The gutters are quite big enough, but as usual, it's open. It's quite open. I don't know why we like these open drainages. Over there at Asaba, I used to bring some of the videos of Asaba, but I noticed that recently probably we don't always enjoy it. If not, I bring videos from Asaba. You see their gutters covered. So what could be the reason that Asaba covers their gutters and we find it difficult to cover our own here? Gutters have been covered and they are used to provide walkways. You can see how this one looks like now. This place is covered. There is gutter underneath this place, and that is the way it's supposed to be done all through. But this one down here is a private construction. The people living around here, I know they are the ones that covered it, because the company don't usually cover any gutter except if it's going to schools or going to churches. That is the specification given to them. Any other person covers his own gutter to provide passages. So, but like I said, let's see when this road is done, then we'll start seeing what we are talking about. I mean, people will carry all sorts of things to litter the whole places. They will carry planks, metals, all sorts of things to cross the road. And you don't blame them. You don't blame them at all. This gutter is quite big and the up top is open. Well, let me not conclude. Probably the government may have later plans of covering all the drainages and converting them to walkways. But if not, this place is going to be messed up in terms of, providing rough things to cross the gutters. Such site is not good, in our places. Having such a clean and a neat road, and you start seeing all those things around, it doesn't make much sense to me. And the same thing applies in so many places. In Oka, Newi, and Onitsha, the same thing applies. That is part of the baggages of open drainage system. Well, it's high time that government should look into it. Honestly, I believe let government look into it and see what they're going to do concerning to cover all the drainages in Anambra State, and you will see what will happen, that debris cannot find their way again inside these drainages, and they will be there to be swept off. That is the way it works. So, but let's keep going. Yes, for your information, and in case if you don't know, vehicles are not allowed to pass through here. This is Isofia axis. There is a point down there that is blocked. Though for their machines and vehicles, they can be allowed to enter because they are the ones doing the job. So, but on a general note, ordinary vehicles are not allowed to enter here. Just for your information. Yes, shortly we are going to be at that point. You can sight it from far down here. That point where there is a blockage that vehicles are not allowed to exceed. Very soon we are going to be there. Yes, this is the point I was mentioning. Here, vehicles are not allowed to exceed that point to enter this place, except the contractor's vehicles, and that is the way they have made it to be. So having shown you this place, let's see the point where the road ends. You can see here, this is the point the road terminates. That is the construction of the adjoining road. That is where it ends. So now it's just a little reverse view. Want to see what is happening here clearly. Okay, they are completing the culvert, the other half of the culvert. And if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, the notification bell. Like this video by clicking on the thumbs up button. Share this video so that others can watch with you. Please don't forget to drop your comments. We need to hear what you think about this video. That is it. I still remain your presenter, Chinedu. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.